Who else in here likes to get PayPal money? Now, I know I like to get PayPal money because PayPal money is like money in the bank. I actually even have the PayPal credit card. So once the money's in PayPal, I can literally just swipe and spin up the PayPal money. And I love it, right? So in this video today, I want to show you guys how I was able to make $100+ in PayPal money. I'm actually in my email here. This is with some low ticket sales. And the thing is I love low ticket sales because I know that low ticket sales will turn into higher ticket sales, those mid tickets, those hundreds of dollars up to the thousands of dollars, because these are proven buyers. These are people that are pulling out their credit card for low ticket sales. So that means they'll definitely pull out their credit card for higher ticket sales. So let's go through these commissions really quick. This was actually yesterday. I did a video on this where I got $397 to my PayPal account, but that was yesterday. So this is just starting today. And I'll just quickly call out these numbers to you guys. So the first one, it started at like 5:28 a.m. And this was for $28.47. And then I got another one for $3.50. And then I got another one for $3.50. Then I got another one for $1.66. And I got another one for $7.30. Another one for $23.74. And then the final one here is $48.24. Now, again, these are all baby commissions, but these all total to about $116.41 in commission. So that's $100 in one day to my PayPal account, right? So $100 a day, you're doing $100 a day, you can do $3,000 a month, and you can do this all with email marketing. And today in this video, guys, I'm actually going to show you like what I'm doing exactly in like the command center for how these commissions are being spit out, because what I'm doing is I'm actually running some traffic through like a command center, and I can just flip out offers anytime I want, and then commissions can just spit out, right? So if something's not converting, I can switch it, and the traffic is just always coming through. The traffic never ends. And if you're getting quality traffic, you're always going to be able to generate sales. So let's going to jump over to my diagram, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about this command center. All right, guys, let's going to jump into this video. And what I want to talk about today is this command center, this software that I've been using to basically be the command center for my affiliate marketing business, my email marketing business. And it allows you to do a whole bunch of things, and it's going to make your email marketing so efficient so that you can maximize the amount of sales and revenue that you actually can make. So if you take a look at this diagram, of course, you're always got to have quality traffic. And now I kind of just have like this perpetual quality traffic coming into this command center 24/7, right? And you saw like those recent Warrior Plus sales, you know, that's the quality traffic that's coming in. And I had just switched out a link real quick, and I just swapped it out, and I'm able to do that like on demand, you know, like whatever I feel like is going to be hot or that's going to sell or going to convert. I'm able to test stuff very quickly and very efficiently. And the perpetual traffic is always coming through to my command center. So then sales can spit out. So again, it always starts with quality traffic. I'll even show you guys where I'm getting my quality traffic here. Just stay tuned, and I'll get to it after I kind of go into a little bit more detail about the command center. So the command center here is basically where you can actually do everything. And it's a software, and I'll show you this software here in a second, but I'll just kind of explain to you some of the things that it actually does. So in this command center, so the traffic is coming through, it's going to go through my command center, right? And the command center consists of squeeze pages and everything else, right? So but it has a software attached to it that links your squeeze pages and your autoresponders and the traffic and the sales pages, so that you know exactly where your sales are coming from and how you can actually manage it. But let's just kind of go through this. So one of the things that this software does is it helps you manage your affiliate links. So manage your affiliate links. It also helps you track your clicks. It also gives you your opt-ins. It's going to track your sales. So, we talked about, how the software can automatically move your buyers to another buyer's list. So it automatically does that for you in the software. It's going to track your ROI, return on investment. It can actually track all your solo ad vendors. So just imagine if you have, 3 or 4 different solo ad vendors that you're purchasing clicks from, you'll be able to track to see which one of the vendors are producing the best quality traffic, because you're going to be able to see that in the open rate. You're going to be able to see that in the click-through rate. And obviously you're going to be able to see that in the sales. So you're going to be able to really pinpoint which vendors and which sources are going to be the best for you. And you're going to continue to basically ramp up your marketing efforts on. It actually tracks other traffic sources too. So if you're doing some social media stuff, like say you're doing YouTube and Instagram or Facebook, you can track all of those sources to see which social media outlet is producing for you, which one is bringing the most opt-in rates, which one is bringing the most sales, because that's the one you're going to really want to focus on most. It can even track your emails, guys. Think about this. Like if I'm broadcasting an email and I have like this hot email that's getting a lot of opens, a lot of clicks, and a lot of sales, well, it's gonna, the software can tell me that, right? And then of course, I'm gonna wanna use that email over and over again as much as I can, so that I can get the most sales. So it tracks all of that. So this is just kind of a handful of things that this thing can track. And so I'm going to go over now and I'm going to show you where I'm getting some quality traffic from with a discount code. I'm going to give you guys a discount code too, so it's going to save you a lot of money. Plus I'm going to go briefly through the software and show you where you can actually get access to it at. So let's go to jump over and look at the traffic first. So where I've been getting my traffic from lately, again, like you saw some of those Warrior Plus sales, like this is the traffic. This is where my clicks are coming from. And it's this resource called trafficblade.com. And I'm going to have a link in the description for you guys, and as well as I have a discount code for you guys. So you're basically going to go to the link in the description. You're going to land on the page like this. You're going to click on Get Traffic, and it's going to take you to these 2 different packages. There's the Expert Marketer package and then the Beginner Marketer packages. Where you want to purchase clicks is in the Expert Marketer packages, because it has tier 1 countries here. You can see tier 1 countries, 100% tier 1 countries, versus in the Beginner package, it's 70% tier 1. So you're going to get a lot of different other countries in there. So you want to stay with the 100% tier 1 traffic. And so there's basically 3 packages. You can get 100 visitors, 500 visitors, and 1,000 visitors. I would recommend that you start with 500 if you can. And again, I'm going to be giving you a discount code. So what you would do is you basically click on Get Started. And the reason why I'm saying start with the 500 visitors, because it allows you to have enough traffic to really test out offers versus just 100 clicks. Because you got to think about it. If you're using a squeeze page and you're getting 50% opt-in rate, well, you're only going to have the potential of 50 people actually seeing that offer or that sales page at that time. So that's not really enough people to really determine if the actual offer is converting. You want to get at least 100 or 150 eyeballs on that sales page to see if you're going to get a couple sales, to see if the offer is actually converting. So that's why I recommend going ahead and getting the 500 tier 1 clicks. And you can see here, it says it's $365, but your boy John got you. So what you're going to do is you're going to go here to coupon code, and you're going to type in JON 735, JON 735, and then you're going to click on apply coupon. This gives you a 22% discount, so a total of $80.30 off of the $365, guys. So for $284, you're going to get 500 premium tier 1 clicks. I'm already showing you that these clicks are converting. It's converting. That means you can make sales, right? So make sure you check the link in the description. Use that coupon code JON735 and get 22% off and get your clicks, right? Now, let's go over to the software. So the software that I'm using is called Opt-in Dojo. And so Opt-in Dojo is that command center that I was telling you about. You can swap out your links on a dime. It tracks your solo ad vendors. It tracks your clicks. It tracks your opt-in. It tracks your sales, your ROI. It tracks your solo ad vendors. It tracks email broadcasts. You can track almost everything, right? And it's just a phenomenal software that you can use. And I'm so glad that I was exposed to this, because it's just made email marketing so much easier and so much clearer. Because as email marketers and affiliate marketers, if you don't own the product, sometimes you're kind of operating in the dark when you're trying to sell, and you're not really sure like what traffic sources are working and who are my buyers, because you don't get those buyers. But with this software, it does everything. So the cost for this, I'll just review the cost with you guys really quick. The cost, all you really need right now is the marketer package, and that's $37 per month. And it's like 10,000 actions per month, unlimited conversions, unlimited funnels, unlimited tracking links. You get a custom domain. So this is really all you need. And this will track and do everything that you need it to do. Now, I don't want to just leave you guys hanging and be like, okay, I have no idea what Opt-in Dojo is, or how it works, or how I set it up with my squeeze pages and integrate it with my offers and autoresponder, all of that stuff. It can be a little confusing, but I got you guys covered again, because I was able to take a course. It's called Passive Income Profits. Passive Income Profits actually walked me through the whole process of setting up everything. And guess what? The biggest thing, guys, is you can get set up with this for a one-time fee of $7. There are a couple different memberships, but all you need is the $7 membership. It has 100 training videos, and it goes in depth into email marketing training. So in this email marketing training, it's going to walk you through how to set up Opt-in Dojo, integrate it with your squeeze page, integrate it with your autoresponder, integrate it with your sales page. So everything is tracked, and you can switch out offers on a dime. You know what's really working, what marketing dollars you need to ramp up, and everything is in this email marketing training. And again, that's just $7 one time, guys. $7 one time. There are some upsells if you wanted to get everything set up for you. You don't have to. I actually did elect to get my system set up for me, but I did go through those videos, and it is very easy to get everything set up, because the person that's teaching this actually walks through everything step by step by step. So it's super easy. And then once you are set up, it's very easy to go ahead and control the actual command center, so to speak. So that's what I have for you guys today. So I'll leave a link for Traffic Blade. Of course, I'll have that discount code for you guys. And then I'll have a link for Opt-in Dojo, so you guys can get access to that. But if you just want to also get this Passive Income Profits, the $7 membership, that will also be extremely helpful, because it's going to show you how to set up your command center. So I hope that helped, guys. If that did, make sure you hit the like button, leave me a comment. If you have any other questions, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.